In this video, I'm going to show you how to use free neural filters in Photoshop 2023. It doesn't matter if you have 2022 version. And one more thing, people's facing the issue where they can't download the filter in Neural Filter Gallery, and most of the people's out there facing this issue so much. So don't worry. You will not face this issue anymore. So watch the full video step by step, and if you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First, we're gonna select the neural filters in the filters option. I'm already downloaded the filters and extracted in the right location so I can use the filters which I want. Okay, so here you can see, I have already downloaded the filters and the filters are already in use. Okay, so let's colorize this photo so we can check that the filter is working or not. So probably it's working. Okay, so now let's go to my desktop screen. Here you can see the Neural Filters RAR file which I already downloaded. And you can download this too. Download link in description. And remember one thing. When you download the filters from the given link in the description, it will ask you a decryption key. So you need that key too. The key link is also in description, and the password link file is in the description too for extracting the RAR files of the filters. Okay, so when you've done the extract the files, open the folder and open the filters folder here. Copy this folder. Now go to your C drive. Click on the view option right above and make sure the hidden items is checked. Go to Users and Operating System folder and now App Data folder. Roaming, Adobe. Now scroll down for a little and here you can see a folder with the name UXP. Open it. Open the plugins storage, PHSP. Open the 24 one. And now here's the location where you're gonna paste the Neural Filters internal folder. After paste the folder of Neural Filters here, go back to your Photoshop and recheck the filters again. It will unlock all the filters so you can use easily. If you like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.